Please subscribe and turn on notification.
5 quick facts about bone remodeling. Number 1. Bone is the most lifeless of all the body organs because it can exist longer than other body organs after death. It may even summon in some ancient fossils. Number 2. Bone is made up of dynamic and active tissue. That's why small-scale changes in bone architecture can occur continually. Every week, 5 to 7% of our bone mass is recycled, and almost about a half a gram of calcium may enter or leave the adult skeleton every day. Number 3. Spongy bone is replaced every 3 to 4 years. However, compact bone is replaced every 10 years. Number 4. When bone remains in place for long periods, most of the calcium salts will crystallize, but because of this mechanism, we can avoid the conditions of the bone becoming more brittle and eventually fracture. Number 5. And lastly, here's a great news. When we break bones, they undergo a remarkable process of self-repair. That's why, when we break our bones, we only use bandages, cast, external fixators, etc., to stabilize the broken bone and reduce the frequency of movement.
Please subscribe and turn on notification.